kwa Adom TV Premtobre Kasee so na osha no medindi afia amankwa tamaklo yetwa so de akonsa mfofo mu ekukuma ye wo mrahwebedwa fie mu se aban de wo ka no obwa se aban SSC economy no ejira na so free bra IMF de won ho ebeso yasen de na emekoyi na sansemwe no eye governor Oda Bank of Ghana no Dr. Adom ene omaye mfoto sani Ken Oforiata na de sansem no tudwa enei ekokuma wo mrahwebedwa fie kasamafo a wono ehwe finance so minority spokesperson on finance ye ora Isaac Adongo ehunu sansa na wo kan de no krebia eni Adom Kasee etwaso
ekeka kwa afini ena omaiga na aban no edna ni ekire IMF na wo pe emwa na wo news conference bia na wo twetwe mo no wo de hye so no ase no Governor Adom Bank of Ghana, Dr. Adom, and also for your my sikasem so Ken Oforiata, ekasa ye de for my Ghana sikasem eho. Na won semia wodi ye to join say, o my Ghana sikasem eho no sakraye, na sanso so etie ginebium. Na wo sansemi ho no, dom kuma omrahwebedwa fie, enso so bekasa wo mo kire say, in sama Governor Adom Bank of Ghana, and your so for your my sikasem so, to jade for my Ghana, sikasem ho no, enya deda senokuribia ewom. Isaac Adongo, a minority spokesperson on finance, Ninsembia wodi ye to ja ini.
You can't take end year inflation of 2022 and compare it to any of the inflation other than December 2023. That is how you compare apples to apples. Because the inflation that you find in any period, year on year, is compared to the same period the previous year. And we are not in December. The inflation we are seeing today has different seasonal and cyclical pressures compared to that of December.
And wachi, what was such say, by America Cranide, Ghana by no Ghana this year, etchefo mubupai, and I'm mentioning in a moncania bois, upejemu, Ninian Pundancheno, a two abino edge if Ghana this year, and Nisuswa, a hard dream per year.
We have achieved this with electricity bills more than tripling. In fact, every quarter we experience close to 30% jump. Every quarter. So electricity bills are now almost 4 times what we were paying last year. This is the suffering of Ghanaians. We have achieved this by destroying value of the Ghanaian through a domestic debt exchange program, which did not even spare poor pensioners.